Hey everybody, this is DSJ, and this is a kind of a gamer's journal. Usually I don't show my face on one of these, but in this case I kind of have no choice, mainly because, as y'all know, my PC was about to crap out. However, this weekend I'll finally have the new parts put in, which I'm kind of glad that's gonna happen. Then I'll be able to use my PC once again, and not only that, probably stream a lot more on Twitch as well. And if you hear all that noise in the background, yeah, that's my Xbox One, and it's being right now. My wife is playing Dead Rising 3. Anyway, once my PC's up and running, it'll be back to business as usual. More fan fiction will be read. I'll be able to actually focus on the reviews this time. And when I last checked, I still have the same number of content IDs. We were only 6, so you know what? Time to do what I'm gonna enjoy doing. And not only that, that means I'll be able to actually finish some of my Let's Plays on my other consoles, which I am happy. And that means my HD PVR won't be crapping out either. Which it wasn't crapping out really. Is mainly my computer couldn't handle it anymore. But it will after this weekend. Anyway, hope to see y'all again. Take care. Have a nice day.